Okay, we're going to talk about systems of equations. And so we're just going to focus right now on systems of linear equations. And so a system of linear equations consists of two or more linear equations that has two or more variables, so usually an x and a y, such that all equations are considered simultaneously. So when you're solving a system of equations, you want to be solving all the equations simultaneously. So the solution to a system is a value for all the variables, an ordered pair we could call it, that satisfies each equation. So a value for all the variables that satisfies all the equations simultaneously. So this says, consider the following system of linear equations. 3x plus y is 15 and 2x minus y is 5. It says, is the ordered pair 3, 6 a solution? So does that 3 and 6, when x is 3, y is 6, does that solve this system of equations? So what we want to do is plug those values in and see if it makes the equations true. So I'm going to do equation number 1 first. 3 times x is 3. Plus 6, does that equal 15? That's the question we're trying to answer. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 6 equals 15. Yes, but it's not enough just to check the one equation. You have to put the point into both equations. It has to satisfy all the equations. So I'm going to check the second one. 2 times 3 minus 6, does that equal 5? So 2 times 3 is 6, minus 6 is 0. No. So no, this is not a solution. It satisfied the first equation, but it did not satisfy the second equation. So when you're solving a system of linear equations with two variables, there are three things that can happen. So remember, these are just linear equations. We could graph them. If you graph the two linear equations and they cross at one point, then it has exactly one solution pair. So this case here, we crossed at one point. It has exactly one solution pair, and that's our solution. If they never cross, meaning the two lines are parallel, this would mean same slope, different y-intercept. Then it's going to have no solutions because they never cross. If the two lines lie on top of each other, so same lines, then it has infinite many solutions. Any point on the line is a solution. So whenever you're solving a system, you could get three options. You can get exactly one solution, you can get no solutions, meaning the two lines don't cross, or you can get infinite solutions, meaning they're the exact same